How to enable or disable JavaScript in Google Chrome in Android. It's a very quick and an easy process, so let's get into the video. First thing first, head over to Google Chrome. Once you're in here, click on this three dot at the top right corner of the screen, and then move into Settings. Inside Settings, tons of different options will be visible to you, but you have to scroll down and then head over to Site Settings. Inside Site Settings, scroll all the way down and the option of JavaScript will be visible to you. Click on it. You will be landing on this page. Right here you can see that the feature of JavaScript is enabled. In order to disable, all you want to do is toggle off this button. And there you go, the JavaScript feature has been disabled successfully. If you want to enable it again, then simply toggle on this button. Likewise, you can enable or disable the JavaScript feature anytime you want to, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can enable or disable JavaScript in Google Chrome in Android. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.